Good evening, everyone. So this is my trailer attachment who goes on my Toyota 2013. So I just finished painting during the week, and I cover it with a clear coat. And you can see my zebra caution painting. I use various length of blue tape, my glove, and this is my setup for my painting. So I use my trailer for my John Deere. All right, and I paint that inside my garage. Okay, and what I do to extract the vapor is I install during the winter a fan. It's an exhaust fan blowing in the attic. So I just have to pull this cable there and I hook it to that hook, so that will open above it, and then I just have to power it, connect it in the electric socket. So that's how I extract the vapor. And it's very strong because when the door is not well closed, it opens the door by itself. It creates a big vacuum. So that was my short video, and tomorrow you will see it installed on my car. Alright, good evening guys. Cheers.